Enabling Klarna payments on your Shopify store allows customers to pay in installments or use financing options. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to enable Klarna payments. Check eligibility. Before setting up Klarna, ensure that your Shopify store is located in a region where Klarna is available. Klarna is available in several countries including the US, UK, and parts of Europe. Install Klarna payments. Log into Shopify admin. Go to your Shopify store's admin page. Go to Payment Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, Payments. Add Klarna. Under Alternative Payment Methods, click Choose Alternative Payment and search for Klarna in the available options. Set up Klarna. Click on the Klarna option and follow the prompts to set up Klarna as your payment provider. You will need to sign up for a Klarna merchant account and provide necessary details such as your business info and bank account. Configure Klarna payment options. Klarna offers options like Pay Later, Pay Now, and Financing. You can configure which options you want to offer customers during checkout. Test Klarna payments. After enabling Klarna, run a test transaction to ensure everything works smoothly.